Right now, your nose might be under attack, and your body is about to launch a violent defense. Bacteria, viruses, dust, invisible invaders just entered your nose, moving through the mucus deeper into your airway. Tiny sensors detect the threat, signals sent to the brain. Your body switches to emergency mode. Chest muscles contract, your throat tightens, pressure builds, then boom! Air explodes out at 160 kilometers per hour. The invaders are blasted away. Bacteria, dust, viruses, all gone in a single explosive moment. You didn't almost die, you just sneezed. Your body protects you every single day. Most people never notice. Discover more hidden biology on HMN.